Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by creating a safe working copy. This prevents lost settings if something breaks. First, close PubG Lite and any launchers, then open the folder path shown. Once found, make a backup named Config Backup. Init and keep it separate. Next, right-click the config and choose Properties to check permissions. You need write access to edit. If you lack access, run Notepad as administrator, then open the config from File Open. This gets you ready to change values safely. You will edit the file deliberately, changing one area at a time so you can diagnose issues. Open the config in Notepad, check encoding is UTF-8, and then change resolution and frame rate caps to match your monitor and GPU. Once done, lower texture quality and effects if you need stable FPS, and adjust view distance for performance. Also tweak mouse sensitivity and DPI-related numbers, change by small increments. Save after each set of tweaks, and note original values so you can revert quickly. You will finalize by locking in changes and validating them in-game. Once saved, optionally set the file to read-only to prevent overwrites. Make sure the game isn't running when you change that. Launch PubG Lite and test in a training match, observing FPS and input. If things go wrong, restore your backup immediately, remove read-only, or delete the config so the game regenerates defaults. If crashes persist, run the game as administrator. This often resolves permission-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.